And we are alive. Meaning Jo Acholi. Welcome back to Chaka Leb Acholi on Jackman Kang of Court. Man show me Chaka Leb Acholi. Segment me Kwan Leb Acholi. Session number 60. Teen Wamira Chaka Kwan Look Me Nga. Panyikwara, the Panyikwara clan of the Acholi tribe of present-day South Sudan, on a poem deck. Please make sure to join live. If you can't, please make sure to watch in full, share on your platforms, engage, like, comment, share. Follow us on YouTube. We're on YouTube as Chaka Julie, so you can watch the full videos on YouTube. Follow us on Facebook as well. We are on Facebook as Chaka Julie. I am also on Facebook as Chaka Kang South Sudan. I do post the same videos on Jagi, Kang South Sudan. However, I also post content on the entire South Sudan events or culture of the South Sudanese people. I also share content about Uganda, Africa, any um funny things that I like watching. So the platform is more so about me and what I'm into and what I like more so, where I also promote these videos, okay? But Chakagi Kang is only about Ikang, mostly, though I do share the videos on Chakagi Kang South Sudan. The official Facebook for this platform is Chakagi Labachuli. Please make sure to follow it, like, comment, share, subscribe, whatever. And also on our YouTube, make sure to subscribe. Apua Tech. Um, I'm not as active on TikTok. I am trying to be. Okay. Um, Now, in the past few days, I concluded reading on Mail. Took a little break. I couldn't decide on which clan to start reading about. So I decided to start reading about Panyikwara first. I still have to do Agoro, Magui, Ofrika. Because those clans are very close to Male. I wanted to go right into it, but then I decided to keep them last. I want to see what the relationship is between those groups. So I decided to go into Panyikwara. Um, I was going to hold Panyikwara off until the very last. Um, I think the only person I know from Panyikwara, I could be wrong, is my brother-in-law, Oriem Santo. Okay. Although I don't know too much about him and I don't know where in Panyikwara he's from. I know he married my sister. I have no idea. All I know is he's from Panyikwara. I don't know anything else about Panyikwara. I know Winkibuti Panyikwara, but I don't know much about Panyikwara. And I was going to keep it to the very last because I wanted to sit down with Oriem, see what I can learn from him before going into reading. But I guess I can still see if I can speak to him later about Panyikwara. Okay? Oriem Kitia Nana. At some point, I'm going to need join one of you. Look me Panyikwara. I see what you know and what you can share about Panyikwara. Kagi Muhammadi Akwana ne Kanye Tamani is incorrect. You appear pronouncing Gamma Be. It were Konyan, Lachin. Okay. Got to go Panyikwara. Don't want me to focus on Agoro Magui, Ofrika. Is that it? I think that's the last three. Agoro, Magui, Ofrika. It's the last three. Katiro Erigini. Habichira kanena look mukuma bor china no di buke. Kabitiro nena look. I'm reading your second edition of book. Kan nongeko a Chaka Kwano text mukene on Acholi history, Acholi migration, and Acholi culture. Okay. And I see that there's some research in English. I'm looking for Acholi text or research or books only in the Acholi language, so I can learn how to read widely. and more effectively in the Acholi language to improve my Acholi. Um, I don't care to read research in English if it's concerning my people, but if I cannot find any Acholi texts, I will definitely pick up some research on the Acholi people in English. Okay, so Tina Mira Chakaluk mi Panyikwara. Mira Mia, it was just introduction about Panyikwara. Look me Gami Panyikwara before I done it into the different subclans. Me Panyikwara. And then the goal on it doom. So it would take me some time to read about each dog art me Panyikwara. And then the negative Bura Panyikwara. I didn't know that Bura Ti Panyikwara. La Chojo Ngoni subclan Ginimi Panyikwara Ti Abong 1 9. Okay. Um, wow. Bang ini palabek ti Panyikwara. Pamunda, Oyera, Palewa, Ayom, Pakala, Oloro, Goloba, Gibura. Yeah, like I'm gonna share no alama mean dog or each one of the dogula, each one of the subclan. They have their own emblem. Okay. For Bura is Makwa. I don't know if that's an emblem or is a motto or slogan. Makwa, gin Makwa. Goloba, gin Wilich. Wilich. Paliwa, gin Malo Makwa, gipin Tiemacho. What are they even talking about? Okay. Jopanya Kwara, please join the live. We'll drop your comments under this video. Oira, gitie gimalo mata, dier makwa, kapin machol. These emblem will a flag to they each have a flag or what? Ayum doni American. Well, I am mispronouncing, misreading this. Ayum nigin American. Pamunda ni UN alama mapol maparapat. Palabekno makwa aloro tigi makwiji kwiji. What color is makwiji kwiji? What is alama? Mi bere. The color of their flag. Why do they have flag? Each subclan has a flag. Anyway, let me just start from the beginning. And I pour one for joining on Jacqueline Kangakot. Teen, we are reading on Panyikwara. Panyikwara is one of the clans of the Acholi tribe of present-day South Sudan. I will start with the introduction today, and then tomorrow we'll start reading about the subclans of Panyikwara. There's 9 subclans in Panyikwara. Tomorrow we'll start off with Bura. Okay, Bura can be found in many places in Acholi territories, Acholi land. One being Pajok. We already read about Pajok, the Pajok people. And I see that this one here in Panyikwara. So tomorrow we'll read about that. So I'm going to start reading now about Panyikwara, not to waste too much time. There's about 3 or 4 pages that I need to cover on just the introduction alone. And then I will start reading about okay, I'm going to read about 5 pages. And then tomorrow we'll start reading about Buddha, which is one of the first subclans. Okay, all right. Like I just showing regarding Gangmi Panyikwara. Okay. Maporipe wamere gilok ma kwahodok on ma tie Panyikwara. Amiro kong wa gampenya chill ma dano nakajui mara penyone. Excuse me. Panyikwara tien loke angong. If you're from Panyikwara, what do you understand Panyikwara to mean? In the beginning of this text a long time ago, when I started reading this book, He told me that the Panyikwara were Luo people. I don't know if they're Shiluk or something like that, a mixture of Mari or something like that. And the name basically mean they were led by Nyikwara, the people of Nyikwara. I think they are Nyak people or some Shiluk or something like that. Anyways, let's find out. What is he saying in this chapter? Ningo, dokot mi, lumi Panyikwara hien look at Nyango. Gamo pen ma chalo man pe tuero. Pe tuero ka pe ingeo te kwar pa jo Panyikwara. An abene anongo ni pe atuero gamo pen man. Piman e kare ma bedo ka yinyo lok mi te kwar pa cholo mi Sudan. A bedo bene ka penyo lo dira cholo mi Sudan gi pen man. Anongo ni dana ma pol pe ngeo tien lok mani Panyikwara. Ento la dit Geralimo Mamur Odel Fere mi Panyikwara awaje borane dano pe ngeo tien lok Panyikwara pien gin bene pe ngeo te kwara pa jo Panyikwara ka en Mamur dong awaje borane Panyikwara tien lok ni Lotino pa Nyikwara, okay? He found that out and we read about it in the beginning of this platform, this program, okay? Ningone, Lotino pa Nyikwara. Ruot Nyikwara obino gi luak mere gi jilo nyoya nyok, yep, as I remember. Kin mwara apar bichel gi wiadik. No, mwara mi apar bichel gi wiadik. Kagin ogero ibili nyang nyoy bar. Okay? Gino bedo kan pi mwara piera beach. Ojara kingo Mia apar bichel gi a dig we apar bichel gi piera beach we a dig. Okay? Ento Ruod Nyikwara, okay? Ento Ruod Nyikwara oto wako ibili nyang nyo kamabad tiene imora apar bichel gi piera beach. Ngeta pa Ruod Nyikwara wode ma gilungo ni Modi omako ka Ruod Modi otero luak aru, okay? Matie ilobo kama Ruod Modi oto imwa apar bichel gi piera boro. Okay? Ngeta pa Ruod Modi wode ma gilungo ni Gitala omako Ruod Gitala okelo luak mi Panyikwara gi aru mere tegot iwire. Okay? Ikin mwaka apar bichel gi piera boro wi achiel wi apar bichel gi piera boro wi ariyo. Gino bino ogeri tim mari ma oromo got iwire. Don wacho ni kare ma jo Panyikwara obino ite got iwire gin dong onongo jo mari tie itim megi. Okay? Dano mi mari obino chon gi lobo bar nyo reserve. Okay? Kagin ogon kany. Te kwar mi actually wacho ni Ruod Nyikwara obino gi anywak gi dano mapol. Mana ye jo pacha, pali, palokiri, gi jo pamunda. Kid ma wanongo gin bene tie ka yenyo kabedo. Luak pa Ruod Gitala dong olwenyo ikum jo madi omedo gi boyo gin wall. Okay? Lo diro mi Panyikwara wajo ni Ruod Talapu pe obino gi twin mi laro ke gi bot Ruod Gitala. Mana ye gin ma weko Ruod Talapu o wajo kwere bot luak pa Ruod Gitala. Wot pa modi ne jo burakal wun omego mera wu makke meu gi muolo dog bene wu chwe kot wek cham o cheke bot luak an jo pa jul wala pa jule aweko ruot mera bot ruot kitala machalo o mera okay manok kany luak pa ruot kitala orweo muny kum dana mi moli tokoro madi gin olwenyo mateke kum madi duan wacho ni ruot madi ma pe wang'eyo nyinge pe oto ilweny man kala chien en bene omiyo bul ke gi tong ke mere bot ruot kitala mo weko ruot kitala wot pa modi odoko ruot pa jo Acholi gi madi okay ruot kitala ma weko ruot kitala wot pa modi odoko ruot pa jo Acholi gi madi okay so ruot kitala mo lead ano do gi defeat madi okay madi got defeated even though the chief was not killed give me okay to go about ruot kitala me leading jo Acholi gi madi okay yala karong ningo kin madano mi mari gi Acholi dong tie te lodge pa ruot kitala mod office pa ruot o chaho teach gi Leb Acholi wa gi Leb madi okay team kai chiro ilobo Panyikwara inoni dano ma kwa kunu logo Leb Acholi gin bene logo Leb madi okay I hope I'm not delayed. Oh, my video is delayed. Why is it delayed? Okay. Kadong ningane ki chire Panyikwara dana lok Leb Acholi gi Leb madi wang. Okay. La deed palasido wala palichido la ngoya yugu mi Panyikwara awaje borani luak pa madi ma dong gi laktong pa lotina Panyikwara manok kany bene o wako gi Panyikwara gino dok tung poro cheng ka gin o kwede I kabedo matie iyo ma bino gi Juba chiro inumle okay inge mwaka ario jo mari moli tokoro dok onongo ni ngom man pe cheko chum pi man gino tamo mi dok chien kalweng okay ikom dano mi Panyikwara jo mari moli tokoro owajini ngom matie I mede nyoite got I wire be mi pu ento gin petuero bedo kachiel gi dano mi Panyikwara manok kany jo mari oyongo komgi mi chiro kalweng I kom Panyikwara gino luonye kom dano mi Panyikwara gi atum okay gino luonye gi atum I kom jo Panyikwara nyo gi atero okay ento gino luonye kom mari gi tong wa gi kuot What do you guys think happened? Mapori dana mi mari ki dano mi Panyikwara pe oromo idibo moy. Lo diro mi Panyikwara bero ka puonyo lo tina wobe kid mi luany ikom lo monye. Gin obedo ka puonyo lo tina wobe ma kun gin waje kwere bod gine chobi ma I nyime. What? Chobi ma I nyime. Chi an bene a chobo ma I nyime. Jo Panyikwara obedo dano ma ng'eyo lweny gi tong gi kuot. Pi man jo mari pe onego gin maduong'. Ento tekwara mi Panyikwara wajo ni jo mari aye oto maduong' I lweny man. Don wajo ni mari modong gi lak tong ologo ng'egi manongo cho okwayo ng'wech gi bot apuoyo. What? Manongo cho okwayo ng'wech gi bot apuoyo. Jo Panyikwara oriemo jo mari moli tokoro wa ikiripi. Giriemo jo mari wa ikiripi. Okay? Mi po kwere wilwak pilweny ma obedo ikin jo Panyikwara gi mari. Dana mi Panyikwara owero kwere ni, okay, nyi ngwi yo ku murongolo got iwire nga mailo tong tim magi chobo gi nyi ngwi tero dano ka ngolo luiri ma gingeo chon. I have no idea what they're saying. It's supposed to be in Acholi. Ningo nyi ngwi yoku morongolo goriwire nga mailo tong tim magi chobo ki nyingwi tero dano kangolo luiri magi ngeo chon. I have no idea what they're saying in the song. It's supposed to be Acholi. Anyways, ningo mapeo tero moha mapol lok mi laro ngom odonyo ki luak pa ruot gitala dana miro ngeo anga aye ma wiri pajo ma wanongo ni dok od mi goloba paliwa gi oyira o Chaka wajo ni gina ye wiri pajo ka dana mokene kono wajo ni jo bura aye wiri pajo. Okay, ka imi Panyikwara, drop your comments. Ngama tiyo wiri pajo tu mi jo Panyikwara ato ulwanya gi madi. Is it bura? Is it goloba paliwa gi oyira? Ngama tiyo wiri ngom. Okay, kaningo ento tekwara pa chuli wajo ni jo bura aye wiri pajo pien gin ma o Chaka donyo ngom mi Panyikwara gi bod dana mokene ma obino la chin. Okay. Dana mokene obino ogerikom bura dogbong. Okay. Duan bene wajo ni dana mi dok od goloba palewa gi oyira gin duju okeyo mi bura. Ento gin pe wiri pajo. What do you think? Drop your comments. If you're from Panyikwara, you're from these subclans, ngama tiyo wiri ngom. Is it bura? Okay, drop your comments. Kadong ningo. I don't know if I will finish the finish this introduction. I will try. Okay. Karuningo, imoha, apart from one piera degwa bichel. Ma munu dong o tiro donyo iloba chuli. You chaha poko dano mi a chuli gidano mi mari. Okay. So the white people, the colonizers or the British, when they came, they started dividing up the Acholi and the Mari because they're two different tribes. Instead of being one in Panyikwara under one chief, they were split up starting from 1936. Yalo ningo, chila chen mono nongone, logmi wat tie matut ikin, dana mi Panyikwara gi dana mi Mari, pien lotina wobe, gi lotina nyira, obedo ka nyome man a ye gin mao kira lok mi wat ikin dana man. Acholi opor kweregi karolok ni charolok ni nyom nyayo kaka nyo lok mi nyom naka jui ribo dano. Okay, so the Mari and the Panyikwara, they had marriages between them, so they have children that are both Acholi and Mari. So they felt they shouldn't be separated. Okay. Ano, mono mao neno kid mani moa parbong wengi pira degwa bichel. O kwanya dok od mi payoko, nyo payoko, paja, dungi, ni gaya, gi pandike, o kerogini te loch mi mari. Local government number 1 in LOA, I don't know what that is, Loa. Duan wajani. I Mohamman dok od mi ngi gaya olorogi palabek onongo tie ite loch pa road adimu mi pura. Te kwar mi Panyikwara wajani kari bed odua dana mi payoko paja dungo ni gaya gi pandike te loch pa road mari. Ento gino bedo ka tich gi chik kwaro pa chuli gi mari. Man bene omio kare Bodjo Panyikwara mituku gi wi dano. Maka lok alara tie kin lot Latin Panyikwara gi Latin Acholi mi dok ot mokene Latin Panyikwara omaro lok gi leb mari. That's funny. Ka kono lok alara tie ikin Latin Panyikwara gingoni Latin Panyikwara gi Latin Mari. Latin Panyikwara bene mara lok gi leba chuli ento ka lok tie kingi Latin Panyikwara gin nakajui omaro laro lok gi leba chuli. Te kwara pa chuli bene wajone imoha 1936 so apar bong wangi piera degwa bichel mono kwanye but Panyikwara mokene Madongo Kiro Gin Ite Lodge Parroot Mi Acholi a local government center number 2. Okay, a Magui. Okay, yala, we're moving on to the section mochoni ngani. Munu ogoro dano mi Panyikwara ite God iwire. Okay, but you're choni ngo. Ikin moha mia apar bongwen we apar bongwen gi pierare we chill. Dana mi Panyikwara nongo oket ata dana mokene tie ite God iwire dana mokene tie e lateb latebi dana mokene tie e anywang ento dana mapolo nongo tie e awala matie e dokulu ayi e moha apar bongwan gi piera rio jo lokoro gi lokoya obero kalwany marach madai kum jo Acholi. Okay? Imwaga par bongwan gi piera rio we ario ma mono neno ni wen pa jo jur nyo lon pa lo jur tie kamere ikum dano mono goro dano mi Panyikwara duju ite God iwire. Imwaga man which is par bongwan gi piera rio we ario jo bura gi jo palewa nongo gin tie kwa ikaber magilungo ni latebi mono dong okelo jo bura gi jo palewa gi I latebi wala lateb okero jo bura iching gidwe ka jo paliwa kono ogero orumu yat peyo madit matie tung nyango mi ching gidwe monu bene okelo dana mi goloba mokene okero gin itegot lipul ka jo goloba mokene okero gin ianywang. Okay, dano obedo itegot iwire pimwaga abiro Chaka gi ngo apar bongwan gi pieraria wi apar bongwan gi pieraria wi aboro. Okay, ka imwaga apar bongwan gi pieraria wi aboro dano chako dak chien gi kom got iwire jo bura odak gi chengi due gino chiro gero I kamach ma watin gin podi tie kan jo goloba kono odak gi anywang gino chiro ogero I pagan ka jo oyira bene obino ogeri kom jo goloba I pagan wala pagen jo pamunda gi pakala kono odak ite achila. Okay, what do you think? Drop your comments if you're from Panyikwara. Tekwara pa chuli wajani imwaga par bong wangi piera rio. Dana mi chuli nongotie ki nyo court nyo lokiko pa dana machol. Okay, dana tiegi court abong wen matie Panyikwara. Okay, agoro omeo magui obo pajok palwa agata gi lobone wale court achiel onongo bene tie I gi root kidman. So they had court. Actually people had a court system. Yala root mi court de when gini ochogin gaman. Panyikwara wale court root road ato alijabu sabuni iagoro ikotugi court tie road ongom yomeo court tugi tie road ogan magui court tugi tie road onge obo court tugi tie road aburi kasiba ka pajok road tigitie road ocheng la kormoy palwa kono tie code road lotobi wala lotob agata kono tie code road ongiro road ongiro munumi agata ka kono lobone tie code road oduro pingo palwa agata gilobone tie pat agata gilobona wentie part of palwa ko tuti adek nininge ole kunge drop your comments ko tie gini pat yala imwaga apar bongwan di piara rio bene actually ono tie gi B court nyo lokiro pa British achiel imiri onyala iwire ento imwaga apar bongwan gi piara rio wi aboro DC nyo district commissioner okobo pido mi B court iwi godloti iobo won komi B court nakajui aye DC nyo district commissioner ma en bene dana mi British. Okay, so the B court is weighing a lot about monomati a law we court munugini. Okay, yala gamente mi British o mio tuero mi neno look matino chalo lwen pa mongi cho da omeronyo da kaka matie kindano chalo bodruod mi court kalok madongo chalo nek gi kwo gino mio twer mi laro ne bodruod mi B court rodi abong wen mi achuli nakajui gin ogure ka winyo B court idikal parod imiri onyala tien Tiena rio I mwaka achiel. Okay. Ruodi mi Acholi onongo bene gin peng'eyo leb mono. Ento gin logo leb Arab. District Commissioner dong onongo Abdal Farash ongom mi goloba mang'eyo leb mono manok gi leb Arab. Okay. District Commissioner dong okero ongom weko bed ka kubuduan luak I karami larolok. Mono oyero Abdal Farash ongom obed la kup duan luak pien en bene onongo logo leb mono wala leb English. Arab mari gi Acholi. Ka District Commissioner nyo DC bene okero Ali Be mi omeo obed achikari mamiro onen Ruodi matie ka larolok I B court. Munu ma British tia law nene. So polo kelo tero I court mi pa British lakin po Ruod mokero gini office bene ngele monoko. And no, chief mokero kinane okero in charge and it can maluko leb wang and makugu leb bodano. So they have to go to this court pa mono ne twice a year. Okubu loke akubo bodge jumakingele la monoko. Okay. La dit Geralimo Mamour o Delfere o Wajaborani Chongi Chon Wigang Matie Leb Acholi Ginpe Mielo Kachel. Kari bet kare gi kare Wigang Achiel Twere Mielo gi Wigang Mokene. Ento petie nina mo achiel madano mi Acholi Sudan ogure dibo miel achiel ka lore gi miel kwaro. Duan wajini I mwaka apar bu ngwen gi piera ria we abiro Ruod ato alijabu mi Panyikwara. Olungo Wigang duju matie I Leb Acholi Sudan ni gino bini miel kwaro imiri onyala. Okay? Luak mi Acholi kare magin owinyo duan man mi achiel malungo wi kaka mi Acholi duju gin bene peo kwero dano o agi kabedo maparapat gino chiro imiri onyala mati iwire. Okay? Miel opong ma kabedo dogo ding bodano. Ento manno kan jo bura gi jo goloba obedo ka yaho alota bul. Lok mi laro alota bul okelo chwe chwiny madit bodano ma weho okwera latin mi bura okwanya bul ogoro ochobogi ibuch mi goloba. Remo chwe ikom ibuch omerogi nego ma oweko dano oket wakogi idibo miel. Gio digo mokene lo diro kaka mi Panyikwara ochwalo duan bo DC wala District Commissioner ma gino nyuro kwere bore tich marach ma okwera otimo ikom ibuch. Mono ma winyo lokman ochwalo katile tua omako Ruod ato Ruod ato alijabu pi royal luak mi Acholi mi labong nongo twero gi office mere. So they blame the chief pien okelo dana wenka mieli dibo in celebration ngichi gimoti meko okelo ta munu do mako chief mi organize miel munu bodano. Okay? So katilo tuo o mako Ruod o teri nimule kama mono obedo ka pido ikom Ruod ato. Inge lara log B court onongo ni Ruod ato alijabu otimo bal kodong otueyo Ruod ato ibuch pi mwaka rio. Ruod ato pe otimo buch mere I okol matie I nimule. Ento gino chwala en yokol matie ikimo matie iwang lobo mi kuhu gimadi. Okay? Yala. Tie gang abichiel morumu gang mi Panyikwara mana ye magwi gi pajok malo or north. Okay? Yala madi iporo ching nyo west palabeki Uganda gi piny south ka agoro gi omeo yo tung nyango nyo east. Te kwar pachuli wacho ni wang lobo mi Panyikwara gi magwi tie ikulu ingegili. Ento dana mokene wacho ni wang lobo mi Panyikwara gi magwi tie iadem mi romo toguli. Okay, wang lobo mi Panyikwara gi pajok tie ikom god ayiba. Wang lobo mi Panyikwara gi mari tie ikulu wijubi matie i opari. Wang lobo mi Panyikwara gi palabeg mi Uganda tie kany kono. What do you think? Drop your comments. Wang lobo mi Panyikwara gi agoro kono tie kany. Ka wang lobo mi Panyikwara gi omeo kono tie poro pa Joseph Lago. Panyikwara gi omeo tie poro pa Joseph Lago dogo matie yo ma a inimule chiro ijuba. Okay. Yala, regarding dog odd mi Panyikwara, la jojo chani ngani. I'm just gonna read 2 paragraphs, then I'm gonna end. Okay. Regarding dog odd mi Panyikwara, la jojo chani ngani. Gang mi Panyikwara tie ma para pat manok ki bot wi gang mokene ma wabero kaneno ne chalo obogi pajok. Pingo pien dok od mi Panyikwara peo poe ela cham gia chuich kid ma tie I obogi pajok. Ento gin tie I dok od abo ngwen ma dok od achiel omio bore number. Te kwara pa Panyikwara wacho ni King George William mi bura aye ma omio number man I dok od ma parapat mati Panyikwara. King George do bero king ni de Panyikwara. Anyways. Don wacho ni King George William omio number I dok od man makun lobo kit ma dok od menu or donyo kwere lobo Panyikwara. So if you're number 1, no in within me Chaka done it first. So it's in order, okay? Yela kid ma wanena pinkan wanungone bura omia bodgi number 1 man bene nyuru bodwane jo bura ye ma Chaka donyo in ngomi Panyikwara. Ka jo goloba omia number 2 matien loke ne jo goloba na ye danama ario mio ma donyo I Panyikwara. Gindong luwu jwe bura. Ka jo oloro omio bodgi number 9 ma tien loke ne jo oloro aye dana ma odonyo la chien total ingom Panyikwara. Dana mi Panyikwara pe ngene pe lokom number keken ento gin bene nge ne pi lokom bere ma dok ora chiel tie kwede. Kid ma wabineno la chien I appendix C1 nyo C2 jo Panyikwara bino gi kabir ma parapat ma tie Sudan chalo lo lubo nyo lokoyo gi tali dana mokena kono obino gi Uganda gi kabir ma chalo alero lokung patero gi patira. Okay? So now regarding dok ot mi Panyikwara wagi ber megi. Okay, there's a whole list. I already said it earlier. Jo bura mi achiel alama tugiti makwa. Koloba mi aria itugi wiliech. Okay, better to the tear will get tea ka better well better me kana to the flag tea. Yella paliwa mi ugi donyo mi a dig. Gi mal gi ma ko gi pin gi ma chol. O yira gen gi donyo mi angwen. Gi mal gi ma ta i dier gi ma ko ka gi pin gi ma chol. Pamunda gi donyo mi a beach. Yuan mo mi ko na lam ya joka ni yuan. Alama ma pol ma parapat ma yuan mi a bodke. Kadong ningo no lunga gini yuan pen giti yala mama parapat. Okay, yala yum gi donyo mi abichel. Gibere chal American, na chal business American. I don't understand what it means. Ya pa kala gi donyo mi abiro. Alama tu giti ma parapara biro. Okay, pala bek gi donyo mi aboro. Alama tu giti ma kwa. Ka oloro gingi donyo na mi abong one the last people mi donyo di Panyikwara oloro. Okay. So better to get makuji kin manina kwana kedeni. Okay? Yellow the last paragraph before I end for today. Ningo. Ikare mi dwa miel puro wak gi muon. Dana mi dok od ma parapat ma tie I Panyikwara gingeo gin pe gin Panyikwara gingeo gin pe pi number ento gi bere. Okay, so Kagichero hunting, everybody has to carry their flag. That's how they know who's who from which group in Panyikwara. Okay? Yala ningo, tie dok ot ario, idikal, mi Panyikwara madano woro tutwal. Mana ye dok ot mi bura kot, gi dok ot mi oyira. Dano woro jo bura kot, pilokom kot, ka dano kono woro jo oyira, pilokom jok. Lori. Okay? Jok man pire tek bojo Panyikwara lo jok mokene ma wabineno la chin. Okay? A bookman. Kari bed dana woro bura kot pilok mi kot wanone tie dok ot angwen ma pe woro jo bura kot pien dok ot man tie gi kot megi. Dok ot angwen ma pe woro jo bura kot aye ayom pakala nyo pakala palabek gi oloro. Okay, interesting, right, guys? If you're from Panyikwara, drop your comments. I'm about to start reading about your two community two doggang two wang abong wang and everything about you guys. Drop your comments, please. Like, comment, share, join us. If you would like to be a guest, drop me a DM. Drop a comment under this video. I'm Jackman. Come on, God. I will start reading about Buddha. Okay, so far we found out that ngani. Jo Panyikwara, munu gibino ginonge anywak jopa gine. Nyikwaro. Okay, lotini ni jilo. Bloodline pa jilo. Jo Shiluk Kingdom. Shiluk Kingdom. Go give wurgi weri okere yo pinyi Panyikwara yala gi rargi jo madi. You fight over gina ngom gingi jo mari gi lawyer ayala gi berka chegi coexist at some point puri until this day benen jo mari mo tie ku yala local about chole gleb mari chief tikuno chief after gina ni kwaro and no tingi per berka leading gin magi okere ku je chief tugi mi chole nye chief kitala oberka leading jona jomo kono wajane jona mo gi bino kono gi bar. Okay, gibin kama pat. So dogola neti abong wano gibin kama pat e pole ne gibino nungi anywak lo ngeo nyigine Nyikwaro ne pien munu chief Nyikwaro jopa Nyikwaro mi anywak nyo Shiluk jo jilo jopa jilo gi family tugi. Okay, yala gitigi flag, each dogola tigi flag tugi with different colors and emblem. Okay, kagichero doa. Everybody carries their flag. Yeah, only jo wikingom ya chel bura. Yala jo bura gite wikingom yala ben gite kiri card or take a card. They're rainmakers. Like in this other 4 subgroups, Mawar Ginko, which is Ngoni, Ayom Pakala, Palabegio Loro, Pian Ginman gite gina kiri card to the me yobu card. Okay. Lakin jumatigi jok, jumajibu jok, munu jo gonna oyira. Okay, that's about it for now. Dinga chaka reading in detail. Tomorrow we'll start reading in detail about Buddha. The first subclan or subgroup to get into the Acholi, present day Acholi territory of Panyikwara. Okay. All right. Stay tuned. Anakua Matek, thank you so much. Please like, comment, share. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's Leb Acholi. Subscribe and follow me on Facebook. It's Leb Acholi. Okay. I'm taking a long time, huh? Yeah. So please like, comment, share, engage with the platform. Let me know. Okay. Have a good night, guys. Good night. Bye.